Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to set up a Shopify waiting list in only 5 minutes. This is an excellent method for maintaining customer engagement, particularly for high-demand products that are currently unavailable. Let's jump into the simple process of adding a waiting list to your storefront. First, navigate to your store's admin homepage. Once there, locate and click on the Settings icon. This menu handles the back-end operations of your store, from general preferences to specific app integrations. Next, head over to the Apps and Sales Channels tab. By selecting this, you access the various tools available to improve your shop's functionality. To find the specific tool we need, enter the Shopify App Store by clicking the link in this section. In the search bar, type Waiting List to see the available options. We are looking for the Mini Coming Soon Wait List app. Click on it to open the details. This versatile tool is built to manage lists for items that are launching soon or currently out of stock. Click the Install button to begin adding it to your site. This might take a few seconds to load. Once the first part is finished, click Install once more to ensure the app is fully functional within your Shopify setup. After the installation is complete, find the app in your list and click Enable. This step is essential for activating the software within your store's ecosystem. Now, click Create a Waitlist Setup to begin building your list. You can customize how users join and how they are notified about restocks. Simply follow the app's instructions to adjust email settings, design elements, or specific product categories. Finally, click Save to confirm your changes. Your waiting list is now ready to capture customer interest and boost your sales. Rewatch this guide if needed, and happy selling!